Comment. This pseudocode will instruct someone on the steps necessary to assemble a peanut butter sandwich utilizing the three items: peanut butter, jelly, and a knife. Start program. Declarations: string peanut butter, string bread, string knife. My output: get out 2 slices of bread, peanut butter, and a knife. Comment: prompt user to get out 2 slices of bread, peanut butter, and knife. Output: remove lid from peanut butter jar. Comment: prompt user to open peanut butter jar. Output: dip the knife into the peanut butter. Comment: prompt user to dip the knife into the peanut butter. Output: spread peanut butter on 1 slice of bread. Prompt user to spread peanut butter on bread. Output: put the slices of bread together. Comment: prompt the user to put slices of bread together. Output: eat sandwich and enjoy. Comment: prompt user to eat sandwich. Stop program. Thank you.